Hi, my name's Dan Iacono, and I'm a research director for IDC's Storage Subsystems Group, and I'd like to talk to you about quality of service. Now, when I think about quality of service, I think about the management of the scarcity of resources to your business objectives. Now, without a scarcity of resources, there's no need for quality of service. Now, why is quality of service needed in today's storage environment, and why is there scarcity? Now, to talk about that a little bit more, we have to understand the history of storage. First, storage is really a single host connected to a single storage array or external storage subsystem. And this worked for a while, and what we want to do is we want to gain more performance, and we want to share the resource. So what we did is we added another host and we shared out the storage array. And then either for capacity or performance reasons, we added more disk out there. Now, when we added more disk, we also added more hosts. And if the performance got too high, we would dedicate a host to a tray of disks or a subset of disks. Now, that worked, and I call that the poor man's quality of service. But when this disk or dedicated array of disks is not being utilized, that performance can't be shared with the other hosts here and here. So what we did is we created an innovation in storage called wide striping. And what wide striping did was it enabled you to have the performance of all the disks and stripe I/O across all of them. Now this works great because you got the performance of all the disks, but you also got the negative drawbacks. So the idea is if this host is taking all the performance, it can also starve the I/O from these hosts as well. Now the only way to kind of control that is through some sort of quality of service. Now many arrays don't have quality of service enabled, and we see this as a future feature of storage arrays that's going to become very crucial, especially in service provider and cloud environments. Now there's a couple different ways we want to implement quality of service, and we're going to give you some guidance around that. The first piece of guidance is the layer. So you can implement quality of service at the host layer. You can also do it at the network layer or SAN layer. You can also do it at the storage array layer. Now the second part of guidance we'd like to give you is that granularity varies per storage array and per implementation. So some implementations of quality of service are as simple as a high, medium, and low fairness algorithm. There's also some that are just 5 specific policies out there. And there's also ones that go to the granularity of a specific IOPS or megabyte throughput limitations per volume or LUN out there. Now, the third level of guidance that we want to give to you is the policy administration. So it's great to implement quality of service and have it in your environment, but we need to have its scale for the right environment. The only way that's going to do that is a policy-based approach to make the administration of quality of service effective out there. And if you tie that all together, you'll have a successful quality of service implementation, and you'll be able to check the box for quality of service. If you'd like to learn more about quality of service, please contact me at my email address, daniacono, D-I-A-C-O-N-O, @idc.com, or contact me at Twitter, DXI106, or contact the group at #IDC Store.